Welcome to our in-depth comparison of Zorin OS and Linux Mint in 2025. Both are fantastic choices for Linux users, but which one is right for you? Zorin OS 2025 brings exciting enhancements such as improved performance, redefined user experience, and updated software bundles that prioritize productivity. Linux Mint 2025 also offers notable features like a polished user interface, integrated tools for better accessibility, and the latest software updates for a smoother experience. Let's dive into the user interface comparison. Zorin OS opts for a modern look while Linux Mint retains its classic feel. When it comes to system compatibility, Zorin OS requires slightly more RAM, whereas Linux Mint is known for its lightweight design. Performance-wise, user tests indicate that Zorin OS offers faster boot times, while Linux Mint shines in general usability and responsiveness. Both operating systems boast a strong package management system, with Zorin focusing on simplicity and Linux Mint offering a wide selection of software. Customization prefers Zorin OS's unique layouts and themes, while Linux Mint provides logical tweaks for personalization. Community engagement around both platforms offers resources like forums, tutorials, and user documentation, helping you get the most out of your OS. In conclusion, Zorin OS might appeal to users seeking a modern interface, while Linux Mint is great for those who prefer classic functionality. The choice ultimately depends on your own needs.